We're here at the bench one to showcase a couple of light mounting products we've got here at Capable Citizen, showing off the Arson offset scout mount, as well as the new Forward Controls Designs product in combination with TNVC, the PCM. This is a cable management panel that allows you to route the wire through both sides. You can make a U-turn right here on it. You can come across the unit. You can feed it disc directly from just laterally across it. So great option for one product that allows a variety of mounting solutions on the gun. So if you're not sure yet exactly where you're going to place that tape switch, exactly where you're going to place that light, if you're looking at a new rail and you're not sure everything's going to fit, this one product is going to allow a variety of mounting options. So we're going to showcase that here in a minute. So first things first, we've got a Streamlight ProTac HLX light into the offset mount here. One thing we wanted to show is this is the 45-degree offset. So it's going to place that light up in that up on the corner, about 45 degrees off axis from the barrels. The cool thing about this is that it gives you a little bit of clearance here along the side of the rail. So if you've got a front side assembly that's going to go into place here, and you need to make sure that nothing is going to get obstructed over here, something like the Magpul M-Bus, or you just need a little bit of space over there, this is going to give you just a little bit more clearance than some of the other mounts that tuck it in a little bit tighter. So this might be a really good option. This is an ambidextrous mount, so the long screw here actually is removable, and you can flip this around 180 if you wanted to set this up on the other side of the gun. So we've got that secured in here. It comes with the screws to mount the light body to the mount, as well as the hardware, the MLAC hardware, to secure it into the rail itself. So now that we've got that placed probably where we like it, we're looking at the cable that's left over. So here's where the PCM comes in. So playing around with this a little bit before the video started, I'm going to set this up in a U-shaped orientation. So I'm just going to give it a little pinch. Try and get this centered in the camera. Tuck it right into the rail, right into the channels here. And you can see that this isn't really, pinching it. Nothing's sitting below the bottom of the unit. This is holding it securely. We're not going to damage the cable in any way. And then we can just place that somewhere where it's convenient to us. Now, one thing I will point out with the PCM is that this is not built to straddle two M-LOK slots. It needs to sit fully within one individual slot. So we'll get that placed right here. 3/32. No, I'm sorry, that's a 9/64. And there it is. So this gives us the ability, like I said, if you're going to move that pressure pad somewhere else, if you need to feed the wire in from the top, you can feed it in from the top. If you want to have it capture two lines, making a horseshoe inside of it, two lines feeding from somewhere else, keeps it nice and captured out of the way. So like I said, for one product that gives you a lot of versatility moving forward, different lights, different rails, different switch, different places, definitely check these out.